Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acrobatic. 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 Acrobatic is an adjective that describes actions, movements, or performances that involve agility, balance, and precision. It is often used to depict extraordinary physical feats or displays of skill that require flexibility and coordination. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Her acrobatic routine in the gymnastics competition earned her a standing ovation. Why acrobatic is used in example number 1. Acrobatic highlights the agile and skillful nature of the gymnastics routine. Example number 2. The dancer's acrobatic moves brought an exciting and energetic element to the routine. Why acrobatic is used in example number 2. Acrobatic describes the dance moves that require agility and balance. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.